So I bought this Motobecane Nomade 1 for $150. It is rusted the hell. I did a little bit of research on it, and it's from the 80s or 70s. I can't find my exact model. I'm pretty sure it's rare, and I know people are gonna get pissed that I'm gonna be remodeling it completely. I'm gonna be spray painting it. I'm gonna do some rust removal, and I'm gonna fix up the brakes on this bike, and I'm gonna change the wraps, everything. It's gonna be brand new, and I just hope you guys will enjoy. There's gonna be a whole series on this. So I took the bike out for a ride. I was still riding it, and I broke off the left brake completely. The wires are still connected to it, as you can see. The bike is still working. The brake still works, but it just completely fell off. And taking a look at the bike now, I know I'm gonna need a couple Allen wrenches. I'm gonna need socket wrenches, and I'm gonna need vice grips for it. And if anyone from G Fuel is watching, please sponsor me. So I started off with the steering column, I guess that's what you call it. Called a badass rod. And over here I was sort of lost. I didn't know how to take off the handlebar, so I just gave up. So now I'm taking off the back wheel. I should have suspended the bike at first. I had no idea what the fuck I was doing. You can see I was struggling. It's not even supposed to take an Allen wrench. It's supposed to be a socket wrench. And yeah, I finally switched to it. Such an idiot. And I couldn't even take off the wheel after that. I was missing all the screw. At this point, I had no idea what the fuck I was doing, so I just invited a friend over and he helped me out with it. He knows a lot more about bikes. I'm gonna stop the commentary so you guys can just watch and enjoy.